This is my microwave decoder. It's triggered through the driver of the Volkswagen Passat green Zürich 615 746. This car belongs to the WEKA Business Limited in Hermetschloostreet 77 in 8048 Zürich. And this company is a store company of the DEA, and as well from the driver of the ESC Car Rental Limited in Badenerstreet, Kappelway 8 in 8086 Bäch in the state of Zürich. He drives a Lamborghini with Zürich 203 595. And as well from the driver from the BMW belongs to BINELLI in Badenerstreet. And the plate number from the BMW, which belongs to BINELLI, it's Zurich 37700. They do this every night, always when my phone is open, and special when the guy is here from the WEKA Business Limited in Hermetschloostreet 77 in Zurich, the store company of the DEA, American Drug Police. They do this from the upper apartment from Mr. Falk and the lower apartment from Mr. Pierre Dornhalder at Wetteraukreis 4343 in 8053 Zurich, Switzerland.